the word of the day and maybe some Ojibwe trivia. I was thinking about, reading the weather for the folks. Maybe, maybe talking a little bit about Kiss. This day in history. That might be fun. And I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. Well, I'm also here on the controls over there in the control booth. That side of the drawing board. Hey. I'm here today also with my Niji, with my brother, Anamush. Aikadom Boozhoo Niji. Boozhoo, everyone. Just like to say hello. And it's a pleasure to be here on the Boozhoo, Not a Boozhoo podcast. Back to you, Not a Boozhoo. Oh. I really like it how polite you are. I think that's like a southern thing. I'm only from LaPorte. Oh yeah, but that's south of Bemidji, The accent starts to change. You ever meet that? People from the north who have like a southern accent? They're like, hey y'all, I'm from Anchorage, Alaska. You're like, oh, that drawl carries north. I thought it was a southern thing. Hey. All right, well, hey, welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. If you're a new viewer, and I want to welcome you, I want to say welcome to the show. This is a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Today, it's September 5th, and as we record this, it's 5:31 a.m. We're bright and early, daylight in the swamps, as I used to say. And it's Wednesday, Abatuse, halfway. And that is our Ojibwe word. No, we did that last week. Abatuse. Abatus, abatus, abatususe. Abatu. Yeah, I went on this whole diatribe. Diatribe? Is that a word? I went on this whole rant about Tonto. It was pretty funny. So Abatuse is Wednesday. It's September. And in our way, in the Ojibwe Moan, in the Ojibwe language, we say, what de baga Jesus. What de baga Jesus. Leaves changing moon. Every month was a moon to us. And this is the leaves changing moon. So we say, what de baga Jesus. And this goes for you kids too. You kids in the Voyagers Expeditionary School Ojibwe language class. You got to take it easy on your teacher. He's trying. Hey, dude, you're doing a good job. Oh, you're welcome. And let's see what else. Nanan. It is September 5th. All right. So we got that. Leaves changing moon. What day baga Jesus. And the Ojibwe language. All right. So what's going on, sweetie?
Nothing. What else are you going to talk about today?
Well, we could do, should we do the weather?
Yeah, do the weather.
All right. Today's weather is brought to you by random Native American No, wait, that's something else. Where's the pioneer? Oh, man, I had it. Oh, here we go. This is brought to you today by the Bemidji Pioneer. The true news, not the fake news. So the Bemidji Pioneer says today is a high of 66 degrees. Sunny with a high near 66. Oh, and a northwest wind 7 to 9. Why do they tell us? Why do they even, I was listening to the morning radio yesterday. Have you done that lately? Hikes. They're obsessed with the weather. Tomorrow is going to be 69 degrees. Patchy frost before 8 a.m. And otherwise sunny with a high near 69. Friday is going to be 71. Saturday, 71. Sunny Saturday. And then Sunday is going to rain. And it's going to because they have a dark cloud with blue rain. And that's from the Bemidji Pioneer. Your one trusted source of weather information. All right. That's the weather today. That's what it's like Aguaching outside. I was only outside looking inside. Hey, dude, what's up? Oh, just watching the podcast. You want to be on it today? Yeah, I'd love to be on the podcast. Can I announce it? Well, geez, we already started. Oh, come on, let me just announce it. All right, go ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, let me announce the announcer. Hey, Paul Stanley of KISS. Ladies and gentlemen, you wanted the best, so you got the best. The hottest band in the world! Wait, I almost said KISS. The hottest podcast on Facebook. Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. Let's hear it for Nana Boozhoo! Huh? Yeah, that's pretty good. So, what have you been doing lately, Paul? Are you working on any songs, any projects? Well, KISS is going on tour again. Why? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's line you up over here. So tell me, Paul, why is KISS going on tour again? Hey, Deb. Boozhoo. How you doing? This is my niece May. This is my sister Deb. We had fun yesterday in advisory. Hey. Anyway, I'm having a serious conversation here, Deb. You'll have to excuse me. Okay, Paul. Why are you going on tour? I mean, how old are you? We're your fans. We're worried about you. Well, we're going to rock Australia and Europe, and we're going to take over the world. Yeah, okay. Well, just take it easy, all right? You know? It's okay. We, we understand if you wanted to stay home and, take it easy. All right. Do you have any poems for us today? Yeah, I got one. Okay, tell them your poem. This song, or this poem, is from a song called I Want You. Okay, it goes like this. You can run, you can hide, but you never get away. Wait, I'm singing it now. You can run, you can hide, but you never get away. You can lie and deny, but you know you're gonna pay. Never loved, never thought you could. Treat you right, girl, you know I would. You could fight, but tonight there's nothing you can do. I want you. Oh, you can fight, but tonight there's nothing you can do. I want you. Yeah, it's more like hashtag me too. Hey. Sorry. Okay, so today in KISS history, this day in history in 1996, on this day in history, September 4th, KISS closed the MTV Music Awards live from under the Brooklyn Bridge, 1996. And you know that's true because it's from the KISS Online. So that is today's KISS story. All right. Okay, what else? All right, let's do, what do you think, sweetie? You want to do some Ojibwe trivia?
Yeah, let's do some Ojibwe trivia.
Okay. Headphones kind of. I got the little ones today. Okay, so this day in what you call it? Random Native American quiz. All right, let's see how many of these you can get. If you want to play on a mush, you can too. All right, boss. Okay, number one. Which tribe befriended the Pilgrims after they landed at Plymouth Rock? And you people at home, you can answer too. Which tribe? Should I give you like multiple choice? Yeah, if you wouldn't mind. All right. Was it A, the Anishinaabe, B, the Metawakan Dakota, Oyate. C, was it the Winnebago, the Camper tribe? Or D, the Wampanoag?
I'm going to say D, Wampanoag.
That's right, sweetie. Oh, you're so smart. Wampanoag. What's it say here? The Wampanoag tribe also showed the pilgrims how to farm beans and squash. And squash what? I wonder. Hey. Okay. And that has been today's random Native American trivia challenge. I would like to thank our sponsors at Random Native America. Yeah. All right. So yeah. So what's new on a mush? Well, boss, let's see. I went out and took the garbage out because it's trash day, you know. Oh, that's right. Thank you for doing that. And later on, I'm going to do some push-ups. Push-ups. I mean, push-ups? Yeah, I thought I'll get into shape. You know, it's going to be a long winter, and I need to stay in shape. That's a good idea. Maybe we should go for a hike. Hikes. Hey, sweetie, you want to go for a walk?
Yeah, let's go for a morning walk.
All right. You know what? That reminds me. Maybe I shouldn't even talk about this. Yesterday, I was walking around, and it's like, you know, it's like this time in the morning, maybe a little earlier, it's like 5. And a car just pulls up. This guy rolls down his window. He had an old car. He just rolled it down. And he's like, "You good?" I go, "What? I was until you scared me." And I was like, "Good morning." You know, I figured axe murderers will change their mind if you're polite. So I was like, "Hey, good morning." And he just kept, you know, driving like 3 miles an hour right by me. I was like, "Okay. Just walking around the scary streets of Bemidji." And then what did I do? You know what? I just turned around. I started walking the other direction. I was like, "Oh yeah, well guess what? I have a contingency plan." And Mino Giga Zeb Rochelle Pittman hikes. It's so good to see you today. We're doing the Ojibwe word of the day, and I'm just droning on. So today is Wednesday, up a Tuesday. That means halfway. We're halfway through the work week, you guys. And it's Wate Baga Gizis. It is September. It is leaves changing moon. Wate Baga Gizis Nanan 5 Nanan. And yeah. So we're gonna. You know what? Wait, I think we're running out of time, you guys. It's already been 14 minutes. Was there anything else I wanted to do? Hey, Paul, was there anything else I was gonna do today?
No, I don't think so.
Sweetie, you got anything you want to add?
No, I'm good. Let's go for a walk.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you. Ladies, I want to thank you for watching this morning. Most people don't get up early enough to watch a show. They gotta watch it like in reruns. Hey. But it's good to get up, you kids. Get up early. Put out your tobacco. Put out your asema. That's our Ojibwe word for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about asema. And, you know, what's up with that? Everyone's always like, oh, put out your tobacco. What do you mean? Put it out. Like your puppy called tobacco. Hey. Put him out. He's got to go potty. Nah. All right. Well, hey, we're going to go. Oh, no. We're going to Majan. Majada. Let's go. Majada. Ini Moshe. Let's go, sweetheart. And so, Iga Waba Min, Minowa. I will see you again. Oh, all right.